Unlocking the skies, SpaceX and the revolutionary Starlink satellites. Contrary to popular belief, space is not silent. It's buzzing with data, thanks to SpaceX's Starlink satellites. Imagine cell phone towers, but in space. That's the revolutionary concept behind Elon Musk's Starlink project. These satellites form a constellation, creating a web of data in our skies. It's an ambitious plan, set to redefine internet access globally. But how does it work? Essentially, the satellites bounce internet signals around the Earth, reaching even the most remote corners. The impact? Rural areas and developing nations can now access reliable, high-speed internet. It's a game changer for digital inclusion. So, next time you look up at the night sky, remember the satellites silently connecting our world. Starlink is making the unreachable, reachable.